The button again?
Yeah, press the top button.
New York City.
Wait, can I make a video? What is? Wait, the video's on? David! What is David?
Reel it in. There's a fish coming. Oh, that's not a fish. Wait a second. Not a fish. There's a fish there. Keep reeling it in. Keep reeling it in. It's a big fish, I think. Oh, it got off, I think. It got off. No, they're still there. Крути. No? Got off. Whoop. Ah! Okay.
Oh, it actually ate it.
Yeah, it ate it. Okay, yep. I'll do a video.
It's a little one.
Yeah, good job.
David,
Yeah,
we
it's
need
okay.
to catch it. We gotta keep it as our pet. You guys,
No.
can we see it?
Maybe you caught a big fish. Wait. It's got stuck. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Oh. Yeah, there's a fish. Okay, keep reeling. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, keep reeling. Sure. Okay. Definitely. It's stuck? Ooh, it's stuck. Oh, there it is. It's a big one. Okay, hold this. Oh, it's a nice. That's a bass.
Okay.
Whoa! Look at that.
I caught that.
Andres,
Sabina, I caught
you
that.
caught a little bass.
Is this on tape?
Yeah, it's on. Yep. See, it has a big mouth.
Oh, that's creepy. Yeah. All right.
It's biting me.
Oh, David got a fish. Hi, Gavin. I caught you more. I got more. I got more, guys. I got more.
Not fishing.
Stop. I want to catch the fish.
I guess we can use the head to try to catch, but not like this. Hold on.
What? This is a video of you. You're getting too small. You're getting too small. Not too big? Yeah. Your nose is in my face. Let me do it. Yeah. No, look how tiny they are from here. I'm recording them.
Do a little video. Video also.
It's trying to eat something.
Okay, stop it.
Holly got another one. Yep, you got another one. Yep. Same one. Ah! No, it's not the same one because it was all the way. Drop it, put it on the dock. I think it's okay. I need to put it in the water. We have to, that's the same one Holly caught. This is my fourth fish in a row.
They're literally Barbie.
Bella, say hi. Say hi, Papa. Hi. Bella, you caught another fish? Let me see it. Ew, it's slimy. Because it's eating the fish. This is one fish. Okay, so you're sing, Adele, sing. A lifesaver. Adele caught me like right in the shirt. It's like, and it's freezing, and you gave me a heart attack. So good. All right, how about Adele caught a fish. It's a lot.
Yay.
It made it. Holly, you think you're gonna catch a sixth fish? Fifth? Okay. Adele's on action. Adele, what number fish is this? So weird. And Adele and Tali caught 5 fish together. Nah. Tali, how many fish did you catch?
Okay, well, this one we have to try now.
You think you want to catch 6?
Hold it.
We're recording right now. This is going on YouTube. There's no fish. So this photo is waterproof, and we're going to try put it underwater and see the fish that Adele hasn't caught. Adele, there's no fish. So we're in New York. And New York is really cool and it's fun. Bella, do you think New York is fun? Say yes. Yes, and I love to. Can I try? Wait, no, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna try to take the picture. All right, Bella. What do you like New York? Yes or no? Yes. What's your favorite thing about it? I love living in this house, but the other one is really no better because it's upstairs, and that one's better because it's all made out of wood and there's only one bathroom. So this house has one bathroom. This house has one bathroom. And Orly, which house do you like New York? Show YouTube your fish.
Don't get so close, it's going to be blurry. That's too close.
Cool. Hey, it's Orly. Oh ho ho! It's right now. I will show you around the cabins that only have one bathroom, but I will only show you one of them. So yeah, ha! Follow me. And now I will be catching the fish.